BAOS stock, Baosheng Media Group Holdings, is up around 81% in this pre-market session of today, the 8th of June 2023. Yesterday, the trading volume exceeded the 10-day average of 2.435 million shares by 5,639.47%. I guess much of that is owing to the fact that it has this infinitely tiny market cap of $9.1 million and shares outstanding of 5.34 million. So usually the float is usually less than the shares outstanding. So if 1.534 million shares is what is outstanding, then the float could even be far less than that. So out of that may be what is behind, amongst other things, this huge rally we are looking at right now. We haven't found any news. We haven't found any news yet. Maybe as the sessions proceed, we might find the news. So also yesterday as well, the 10-day the trading volume exceeded the price crossed above its 50-day 200-day moving average. But in any case, it is as of sometime in late March, later April, it printed what seems to have been its 52-week low of $3.08 and continued to spike. It spiked for about 2 trading sessions, reached this peak of 52-week high of $16 on the 1st of May, and then retraced and more than corrected after 3 trading sessions, and then spiked up again after 1 trading session, retraced again after 2 trading sessions. So we can probably say that it is consolidating or trying to fill up the gaps, this huge gap that it ran up, but the underlying trend is a bearish one. The underlying trend is a bearish one. So let's look at the 1-minute chart and see what's going on here. Okay, the last time we checked, it was somewhere around here. It has now spiked up, so we're looking at a gain of more than 88% right now as we speak. Volumes are also high, climbing, as we indicated earlier on. The volumes are climbing. We don't have the total volumes yet. So it has projections of 12.449. This is the high of the session so far, but it has downward projections of all the way, this is on the 1-minute chart, of all the way towards $8.99. So let's look at the daily chart, the 1-day chart, and see what's going on there for Baosheng or BAOS. And we have upper projection of 7.47 on the daily chart. So the algos are not projecting anything ambitious. And and currently the price, this upper projection has already been exceeded. So there's a good chance that the pullbacks we have seen before, that have been playing out since that played out in early May, may still occur with this rally we are looking at right now. And there's also no guarantee that the rally will be sustained in the regular session. So it has a downward projection of 1.42 on the daily chart. Let's see, and 3.11. Let's have a look at the weekly chart and see what we can find there. On the weekly chart, there are no projections there on the weekly chart for BAOS, and let's see whether we can find anything in 1 month. Nothing there as well. So I think our best bet is to just stick with this 1-day chart, and the algos don't seem to be reacting to much right now. They haven't even when, I can't say exactly then, but right now there's no further projection above 7.47 in some, so there's a good chance it might pull back. This is the pattern, that's the history it has, and I wouldn't advise you to even get involved as well, unless you are really confident about how you're going to go about it, what you're going to do, want to take the risk. It's up to you. It's really up to you. So BOS showing strength in this pre-market session. Very, very tiny float at that, and let's see if it's optionable as well. Let's see if it's optionable. Let's see. It seems that may be the case. Okay, it's not optionable. Okay, so yeah, see what you make of BAOS stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.